Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycle news, in-depth reviews, and exclusive looks at some of the most unique machines on two wheels. Today, we're diving into a bike that blends custom craftsmanship with modern performance, the 2025 Arch Ones. Built by Arch Motorcycle, the company co-founded by actor Keanu Reeves, the Ones is a hand-built power cruiser designed to deliver a raw, thrilling, and highly personal riding experience. Design, art meets engineering. The 2025 Arch Ones is a striking combination of aggressive styling and premium materials. Every line, curve, and component is crafted with precision, making it feel more like a piece of art than just a motorcycle. Its low-slung stance, muscular fuel tank, and minimalist bodywork highlight the raw beauty of its engineering. The bike's carbon fiber components, billet aluminum parts, and high-end finishes reflect Arch's commitment to top-tier craftsmanship. For 2025, subtle refinements to the bodywork improve aerodynamics and rider ergonomics without compromising the bike's iconic silhouette. Engine and performance, V-twin powerhouse. At the heart of the 2025 Arch Ones is a 2032 cubic centimeters SNS V-twin engine, delivering massive torque and a deep, throaty exhaust note that's impossible to ignore. While exact horsepower figures are less important in a bike like this, the Ones offers an exhilarating surge of acceleration in every gear. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, offering smooth shifts and excellent highway cruising ability. The power delivery is immediate yet controllable, making it equally thrilling on a spirited ride or a relaxed cruise. Chassis and handling, sport-inspired control. Unlike many cruisers, the Arch Ones blends low-end grunt with sporty handling. Its CNC machined billet frame, high-quality suspension, and lightweight wheels give it a level of agility rarely seen in the cruiser category. The fully adjustable Alene suspension ensures a planted, confident ride whether you're leaning into a fast corner or gliding over a rough city street. Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power, giving riders complete confidence to match the bike's raw speed. Technology and rider comfort. While the Arch Ones is a custom-inspired machine, it still offers modern touches for today's rider. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential ride data, and the bike is designed with ergonomics in mind. Mid-controls and a slightly aggressive riding position give it a performance-oriented feel. Each Arch Ones is custom-tailored to its owner's specifications, meaning everything from seat height to handlebar reach can be adjusted during the build process for a perfect fit. Exclusivity, a bespoke experience. One of the defining features of the 2025 Arch Ones is its exclusivity. These bikes are hand-built in limited numbers, with each unit taking months to complete. Buyers aren't just purchasing a motorcycle, they're engaging in a collaborative design process with Arch's team, ensuring their bike is truly one of a kind. Conclusion, a masterpiece on two wheels. The 2025 Arch Ones isn't about practicality or mass appeal, it's about passion, artistry, and the pure joy of riding something created with obsessive attention to detail. It's a motorcycle for those who want not just performance, but a deeply personal and unique riding experience. Outro, subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for joining us at MVP Auto Pro for this closer look at the 2025 Arch Ones. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more incredible motorcycles from around the world, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep exploring.